Sometimes we'll encounter a decimal fraction and we'll want to simplify it. For example, we may wish to simplify 0.48 as a fraction, or alternately, write 0.48 as a fraction in lowest terms. So we'll have our 0.48, that's 48 in the numerator, 2 zeros after the decimal point, so 100 in the denominator. And now we want to cancel out any common factors, which means we're going to have to look for factors of 48. But these decimal fractions are super nice. Notice the denominator is a power of 10. What does that mean? That means its only prime factors are 2 and 5. What does that mean? That means we don't need to look for just any old factor of the numerator. We just need to see, is it a multiple of 2 or of 5? If not, we can't simplify anymore. And the reason this is especially nice is multiples of 2 and multiples of 5 are easy to spot. So 48, is it a multiple of 5? No, it's not, right? Last digit, not a 5, not a 0. Is it a multiple of 2? Yes, the last digit is an 8. So it's 1 of 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. This is an even number. Both the numerator and denominator are multiples of 2. For 48, we can write out the division. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So 48 is 2 times 24. What about 100? Well, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 50 is 100, right? 2 times 50 is 2 times 5 with an extra 0 on the end. So we cancel out the common 2, and we're left with 24 fiftieths. 24 is still an even number. We could write out the division, but 24 is 2 times 12. 50 is still an even number. 50 is 2 times 25. We could write out either one of those division problems if we liked. Again, we can cancel the common 2, and we're left with 12 25ths. 25 is no longer an even number. We've canceled out all of the factors of 2. 12 is not a multiple of 5, so this is in lowest terms. Again, we only need to check for factors of 2 and factors of 5. Now, if we spot larger factors that we can cancel, that's fine. You might have, for example, immediately spotted that each of these numbers was a multiple of 4. But if you don't see it, don't worry about it. You can always go 1 2 at a time or 1 5 at a time. I'm going to give you one of these to try now. Write 0.0625 as a fraction in lowest terms. Pause the video and try this now. Alright, so in fraction notation, this is going to be 625 over 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after the decimal point, so 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in the denominator. Well, looking at these two numbers, I see that each one is a multiple of 5. 5 goes into 625. It goes into 6 one time. It goes into 12 two times. It goes into 25 5 times, with nothing left over. So we'll get 5 times 125 over 5 times, well, 10 is 2 times 5. So 10,000 must be 2,000 times 5. You may write out this long division if you're so inclined. Cancel the common 5 again. I see that this is still a multiple of 5, as is this. So we'll divide again. 5 goes into 12 twice. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So this is going to be 5 times 25 over 5 times, 5 goes into 20 4 times. So 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 400 is 2,000. Cancel the common 5 again. Yet both of these numbers are still multiples of 5. 25 is 5 times 5. 40 is 5 times, 5 goes into 48 times. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 80 is 400. Cancel a common 5 again. Oh, 5 still goes into 80, doesn't it? So we have 5 times 1 over 5 times, now I think I'm going to write out the division. 5 into 80. 5 goes into 8 one time. 5 goes into 30 6 times. Cancel the common 5, and what are we left with? 1/16. So we see that 0.0625 equals 1/16.